Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the Lapland Longspur, scientifically known as Calcareus lapponicus, a robust passerine bird also called the Lapland bunting. This species belongs to the Longspur family Calcaridae, distinct from Old World finches, and its name Longspur refers to its characteristic long hind claws. The Lapland Longspur typically measures between 15 to 18 centimeters in length, with a wingspan ranging from 22 to 29 centimeters. Weighing approximately 22.3 to 33.1 grams, these birds possess a thick, yellow, seed-eater's bill, perfectly adapted for their diet. During the breeding season, the male exhibits a striking black head and throat, complemented by a white eye stripe and a rich chestnut nape. Their underparts are white, contrasting with a heavily streaked black-gray back, making them easily identifiable in their Arctic breeding grounds. Outside the breeding season, both sexes adopt a more subdued appearance, featuring an orange-brown head and a browner back. Females, in particular, are mottled brown, and both sexes display chestnut nape and wing panels in their non-breeding attire. A unique characteristic is their single annual molt in the fall. Breeding plumage emerges as feather tips wear off by spring. The Lapland Longspur boasts a circumpolar distribution, breeding across the vast Arctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. They prefer treeless Arctic habitats, including open wet tundra, sedge meadows, and drier upland tundra, often near sedge-lined streams and ponds. During winter, these birds undertake extensive migrations to open country, such as shortgrass prairies, overgrazed pastures, and stubble fields. Their wintering grounds span from the Russian steppes to the southern United States, and from northern Scandinavian Arctic areas down to coastal southern Sweden, Denmark, and Great Britain. The Lapland Longspur is the only Asian species of longspur buntings and has been present in Eastern Europe for at least 30,000 years. These ground-dwelling birds are often observed walking or running rather than hopping, utilizing their long hind claw for stability. They are known to form large flocks, though typically numbering 10 to 50 individuals, sometimes associating with horned larks and snow buntings. During the breeding season, males engage in elaborate flight displays, singing melodiously as they parachute down with spread wings and tails. Males arrive on the breeding grounds before females, establishing and defending territories through their songs and displays. Their diet primarily consists of seeds during the non-breeding season, including those from grasses, weeds, and sedges, along with waste grain. In summer, their diet shifts to insects such as crane flies, beetles, caterpillars, and spiders, which are crucial for feeding their young. Breeding commences in late spring as the tundra thaws, with courtship and pairing occurring rapidly in the short Arctic summer. Pairs form monogamous bonds for the breeding season, with the female constructing a cup-shaped nest in a shallow ground depression. The nest, made of grass and sometimes moss, is lined with fine grass and often feathers, providing a cozy home for their clutch. They typically lay 4 to 6 eggs, which are greenish-white to pale gray-green, marked with distinctive brown and black patterns. Incubation, lasting about 12 to 13 days, is solely performed by the female, though the male may feed her during this period. Both parents diligently feed the nestlings, which fledge approximately 8 to 10 days after hatching, completing one brood per year. The Lapland Longspur's flight song is a sweet and bubbling melody, a characteristic sound of the Arctic summer. Their most common flight call is a hard PRRT, often preceded by a nasal, too, serving as a key identification cue. During breeding, they also emit a softer du-yi followed by a pause and then a triu, alternating these distinct sounds. Currently, the Lapland Longspur is listed as least concern, being an abundant Arctic land bird with seemingly increasing numbers. However, climate change poses a potential threat to their low Arctic breeding habitat, which could negatively impact their populations. Furthermore, large numbers are tragically lost during severe winter storm events and through collisions with lighted structures during migration. Understanding these challenges is crucial for ensuring the continued thriving of the remarkable Lapland Longspur in our changing world.